What's up, everybody? It's the 1B, and we're going to be doing some more video editing. Hooray! Everybody strap on their brain thinking things. Here we go. New project. Let's make sure that we are in video editing squared. The reason I'm calling that is because I'm so deep into video editing. See, there's in my video folder, and then into my video folder, we go into video editing, and then this is like, right, these are like raw videos here in videos, then the video editing section, but in the video editing section there's backlog video editing, there's graphic design video editing, yada yada. And then we're here in the video editing section, and actually these are thumbnail creations, so they're actually supposed to be in the graphic design area, so I've been making those in the wrong place anyway. Go ahead and go into graphic design, and we will call this going deep into thumbnail creation process, version 1. Click OK. And basically this is a video where I create a thumbnail, but I'm trying to explain where I'm getting these, why I'm needing to make these thumbnails, and the process, my content process. And currently I haven't found a really good way to explain it simply without calling it contentception. And I haven't found a good way, because here's the thing, right? Is the title matters, because people are looking up these titles. Sorry. And all right, that's 420, and then we're going to call it 23 2010. 2010. 2010. 420 2310. Here we are. And so I haven't found a good way to even come up with titles yet. I want to call it like how to content, how to create. I'm not even sure what I want to call them. And the thing is like these videos are going up starting. So I basically have 15 videos, and they're going to be scheduled starting Tuesday. So I'm not entirely sure what they're going to be called yet. Jeez, I got something like in my throat. I can't clear it. Anyway, so let's get the video into the timeline and the sequence. We are going to, again, this is a Photoshop video in Photoshop. So let's go ahead and unlink these, because we're not going to need the mixed audio. This right here is the mixed audio channel, and it basically has these 3 audio channels all in one, and I use that for syncing purposes. If I need to re-sync up audio or something, or if I don't know, many other different things. But anyway, I don't need that one. This is the system audio. There's no system audio for Photoshop. And this is Discord audio. I'm not talking to anybody, and so that one can go. Then we have these leftover spaces. I right click, go to delete tracks. Make sure we check delete video tracks. We want all empty tracks. There's 2 of them. And then we want audio tracks, delete audio tracks, check that, all empty tracks. There's 3 of those. Click OK. Let's link these back up. Select it, go to Effect Controls. We're going to turn up the audio to 15. It's basically I turn up the audio because it's better that you have to turn me down versus like not being able to hear me and not being able to turn me up. So it's better to be able to turn down rather than not be able to turn up. Then we're going to go to video end screen, and we're going to drag that to the end, and we're going to do the same thing there. And then we're going to look at the very beginning of this clip, and we're going to see where it starts. What's up, everyone? About here. What's up, everyone? So we're going to click this. We're going to hit Control K, and it's going to split this video into 2. This one that's selected right now over here on the left of the scrubber, we're going to hold shift and we're going to hit delete, and that's a ripple delete, which means it's going to pull everything to the beginning of that clip that we just cut out. So wherever it was, you'll see here at the end. Everybody, peace. Okay, and then we're going to stop it where we want, and we're going to hit Control K. It's going to split that video again. We're going to select this portion that we don't need at the end of this video. We're going to hold shift, delete, and it's going to delete it, and it's going to pull this YouTube end screen to the point to where we remove that. So it pulls it forward. So it like ripples it, right? And there's a ripple there. Okay, so that's pretty much that. We're going to go ahead and hit Control S. That's going to save. Cancel that. Control M. We'll export media. We're going to rename this. Make sure you're in the right folder. You want to be in video editing, graphic design. Did I lose my folder? Why does this happen? New folder. Going deep into thumbnail. I might have just selected it. Thumbnail creation process. Okay, we're going to select that. Going deep into thumbnail creation process version 1. We're going to save that. And then we're going to click Q. You can click export there sometimes. Most of the time, if you're only exporting one thing. I've had issues with it in the past, so I just go to Adobe Media Encoder to do all my encoding and rendering. So that'll open up Adobe Media Encoder as soon as you hit Q. And then if you need to, you can change these settings, but I don't need to. They're already set. Once I hit this Start Q button, it's going to start the encoding and rendering process. This video here is probably going to take me between 5 and 20 minutes, but that is all dependent on the length of the videos, the format, and once you click this, if there's multiple formats or multiple videos, it's going to take that. That's going to do all of them. So the process is going to vary depending on the videos and your system, what kind of computer you're using. So while it's rendering, hopefully you'll go watch one of my other videos, and I will talk to you later. Peace. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you really enjoyed it, and if you did, please click the circle in the middle to subscribe. The rectangle on your left is another video. The rectangle on your right is a playlist of other videos that you may enjoy. Thanks again. Peace.